How to move taskbar on Windows 11. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do right here is to of course open our browser, and then on the search bar, just search for Explorer Patcher. And then after that, just click enter. And then once you click enter right there, the first link right here should be the GitHub, which is released by Valinet. So all you have to do is to click that link right there. And then once you're now here, the next thing that we need to do is to just click the code right here on the upper left. And then once you're now here on the releases, just click this one right here, which is the latest version. So just click that. After that, just scroll down until you see this asset right here, which is the exe file. So click that. And then after that, just click the save button right here. And then after that, just click open file. After that, as you can see, the taskbar have changed right here. So what we're going to do next is to right click on the taskbar and then click on properties. Once you click properties right there, we will now be able to move our taskbar by clicking the primary taskbar location on screen. So if we click that right there, now all you have to do right here is to just choose where you want to put your taskbar location. And then after that, that should be it. And that is basically it. So that is how easy it is. That is how to move taskbar on Windows 11.